have a John Deere STX 38. Gonna do a quick review on it. This one's a pretty good little machine. I bought it used from a coworker, and I had to replace the ignition coil, and then it started right up. I haven't had any problems with it. It goes pretty fast. I usually mow in second or third gear, or else it misses grass when I'm cutting. It might just because it needs new blades though. Over here you have the battery location, and all it is take out the two screws and put two new ones back in. You have a little hitch. Oh, sorry, I went fuzzy. You have a little hitch in the back, and then on this side you have where you turn it on. You have your PTO, turns the blade on and off. You got forward, reverse, so backwards, reverse, and then it's got 5 gears forward. This is your blade height. You just push this, and then you push this lever down or up, and then it changes the cutting height. I have it on the highest, and it's still pretty short. With this, if you get off, it will kill the motor, no matter what, if the parking brake's on or not. Your brake is over here, and then you have your choke on this side. Sorry, my camera keeps on going in and out of focus. And then over here, you have your carburetors underneath here. You have your air filter. I put a shut-off valve on mine for the fuel. You have where you replace your oil at. And then on this side is your dipstick, your gas tank. It's a pretty simple process, pretty simple machine. Not too much else going on with it. Pretty good machine, like I said. Overall, I haven't had any problems with it. The person just sold it to me because they said it didn't have spark. Changed the coil, and it works good as new.